For my school, we are doing our self-project. Let's do this. First, within the center of our work area, come with me. This is where within the center of our work area. Let's do this. Our area is right here, all around right here. Okay guys, these are going to be the tools that we're going to use. A spatula for patching any holes, a paint scraper, masks, use goggles to protect our eyes, and tape. Wood putty to patch any holes, and sandpaper. Here's a plastic sheeting and the sander. Here it is. Let's get started, guys. Let's do this. Woohoo! Okay, guys, we're going to enclose our work area with this. Let's do this. That's kind of hard to cut.
You're gonna need some help?
Yeah. Okay, guys, we're gonna open this up and then tape it on top of this new one. Let me go get the other side. Okay guys, we have our little workspace ready for the show. Look it. This is our little area. Check it out. We put all these tape so it can stick on the walls right here by the doors. Ah! Oh no, it doesn't do it. There you go. Now we have to get the sander ready. Let's do this. Ask a grown-up to loosen the nuts from the sandpaper. Now we're going to measure the sandpaper for the sander. Let's do this. Now we have to cut along the line. Let's do this. Ask a grown-up to put on the sandpaper. Okay guys, safety first. The safety is to wear masks. Let's put them on. And goggles. Okay guys, first we're gonna scrape off any paint and marks that we see. For example, here's one right there. Let's try to scrape it off. Okay guys, let's get clothes on that we don't care if they get messed up, because we're gonna get dirty. Okay guys, we're gonna start sanding. Let's do this. Okay guys, we finished one bookshelf. Now let's do the others. And walk to buy another group of sandpaper. Hopefully this one will be easier to do my other shelves. Let's do this. Okay guys, we're just gonna follow up from last video when we were sanding. I don't recommend you standing inside your house because it will make a huge mess. Thumbs down. If you do decide to stand indoors, you gotta make sure that the area is completely closed. And we will also recommend getting really protecting standing masks. That will be a thumbs up. Okay guys, we came to buy materials for my painting. Let's go check it out. Okay guys, we're gonna create another workspace to paint like last time. Okay guys, we're gonna find any holes that need to be patched. We're gonna use the natural putty to patch any holes. Get some holes that we're gonna be patching. For example, these ones that I just found. This is not for kids, so ask an adult to help. Okay guys, we're ready to patch. Okay guys, we patched all the holes. Here's one hole we had to get out dry. Here's another one. And another one.
And we're gonna let all of those dry. It says for about 2 hours. And then after we're gonna sand them up and make sure we get all of the debris from the sanding with the vacuum so it can be nice and ready for paint, right?
I like painting. Okay guys, now we're going to sand the holes that we patched. Let's see, where are those holes? Oh gee whiz. I looked last time when I was on checking it and I wanted them to. Let's see at the bottom. Okay guys, here we go. Okay guys, now we're ready to paint. Let's do it. Okay guys, you have to make sure you shake your paint. Okay guys, we finished one shelf. This is the end of this project. Check it out. So neat and it's flat.
This was our little DIY project. Ezra did a great job sanding and painting.
And we're gonna do the other shelves over there with our little work areas. It looks like the other one that we did last time, but it's different right now. So soft if you touch it like
These
that.
are the other ones. We're gonna get to work.
Okay guys, we finally finished our DIY shelves. We purchased all of these organizers at the Dollar Tree. We put each things in each one.
And Mom is going to put on here with dry erase what is in each one. So this one is frozen toys.
This one is my headbands.
Ezra's headbands.
These are
More organizing stuff.
okay. These are all the
little fine motor skill, hands-on
color things
crafts.
and things. Letters to spell your names. And here is some more arts and crafts stuff. Okay, guys, I hope you liked our activities. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more videos. Bye!